you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to be able to do my very first Boxycharm base box versus Boxycharm premium box. These are for February. Do you want to see what I got in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is my very first time getting Premiere. They just took me off the wait list. So this is my very first premium box. Why do I keep saying Premiere? I don't know, but this is my premium box. This right here is $35 a month with free shipping, and this one here is $25 a month with free shipping. And I put a poll up today and asked if you guys wanted these in separate videos or the same, and them being in the same video won by a landslide. So here you go, you guys, this is for you. So we have a versus regular box versus premium, not Premiere. Let's go ahead and dive into this one first. We'll see what is inside the base box. Then we'll open up the premium box. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let's go ahead and get in here. So it says, hello, Charmers. And then there's that. Here is the card. And that is what it looks like on the inside. So their card is very cute and festive for the Valentine's Day month. And it says adore all over it. And then when you open it up, it does go over the products with the pricing on the inside. So let's go ahead and pull out. The first thing is Kate Somerville. This is Active Concentrates, Smooth and Firm. So here is this product. And this guy right here is $98. Whoa, holy moly. This is $98. This better make me look nice and firm and young. And how to use AM and PM. Apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin. All right. And it says high performance reshaping serum. That's what it says right there. This says Kate specially formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull, saggy skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin after just 1 week. Oh, wow. And it says 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. 97%. So that's what the bottle looks like. And it's a nice glass bottle, $98. Holy moly. So it has a little dropper, and from the looks of it, it looks like it's kind of like a, yellowish kind of color inside here, but it goes on clear. What? There's really no scent to it, but I'm excited to try that out. $98. And this box was only $25, you guys. Holy moly, and there's more stuff in here. So let's go ahead and go with the next product. This is from Ciate London. This is Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And I don't use setting powder, so I'm gonna set this aside for a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But if you wanna see what the product or the container inside looks like, I'll show you that. Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This is valued at $22. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And I'm not gonna take off the top or anything like that because this is gonna go to one of you guys. Okay, so then now we have is this product right here, a matte liquid lip stain. And it says, if you are a full coverage enthusiast, this matte lip stain is your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in just 1 coat with 24-hour performance. This is valued at $17. That's a really pretty color. Okay, it's darker than I thought it was going to be. It's right there. So let's get these on these little girls. So there's that, you guys. There's that color. I think that's very pretty. It doesn't really go with my look today because I have more browns, but I think it's very pretty. So there's item number 3. Then we have is by Pretty Vulgar, and this says Extreme Volume Mascara. And this right here says $23. Ooh, that is pretty packaging. I've never had any type of mascara with such pretty packaging. Look at the little bird. How pretty. It's like birds on little limbs of trees with leaves. That is so pretty packaging. Oh my goodness. So this says volume and lengthening mascara instantly increases fullness and delivers long, luscious lashes from root to tip with just one swipe. So let's see what the wand looks like. That's what the wand looks like right there. And I'm actually excited to try this. I love that package. That is so cute. And again, that's $23. And then the last item in here, these I'm not going to open because I know I'm not going to use them. I use more of like the eye brushes, not like the face brushes. So I don't even want to open these or anything, get any fingerprints on them. So that's what they look like. Again, I don't want to open them because I'm going to set this aside in a future giveaway for one of you guys. And this right here says Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio. This vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush, bronzing brush, and a brightening brush. Suitable for all skin types, delivering a flawless finish. Valued at $36. So even this brush set alone is more than the entire box. So that is everything we got in this month's box. We have a brush set, which will go to one of you guys. The Ciate London setting powder, which will go to one of you guys. This Kate Somerville $98 product, which I'm so excited to try out. This lip product, which I'm really liking the color. And then we have the Pretty Vulgar mascara, which is the cutest packaging ever. So I will go ahead and add up the total and put it right here for my box. And I know you guys want to know the version. Where is that? It says, oh, 47. Oh, holy moly. It says number 47. They have a lot of variations. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into this big guy right here. Again, this is my very first time getting this premium box. So let's dive in here and see what $35 just got me. So when you open it up, it has the card. This one says 23, so I don't forget to say it. This one is version 23. And when you open it up, this one's all blue on the inside. And that's what it looks like right there. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have. So the first item right on top is this by Kors. Kors is a very good brand, but this says Vanilla Blossom, and I'm just gonna be honest, I don't really care for vanilla. Vanilla, lavender, and rose are my one flavors that I steer clear away from. It's just something about the artificial scents of them. It gives me a headache. So I will go ahead and set this aside. Let's see, it says Vanilla Blossom Body Butter. I'm sure it's an amazing body butter. It's just I'm not gonna be thrilled with that scent, so I'd rather just pass this along. This is valued at $32. So this right here being $32 is almost the cost of this entire box. And it does have a safety seal on there. So I'm gonna leave that on. This is a nice size, big thing, but $32 for a body lotion, it's gotta be good. And then, ooh, I see watermelon. Ooh! Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, hydrating and glowing radiance. Now you guys, I normally do not use any type of sprays on my face, not even like makeup setting sprays, but when you say watermelon, I'm definitely gonna try it. I love watermelon. I love to eat watermelon. I love watermelon scented things, watermelon flavored things. I just love watermelon. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Ooh, that is a pretty bottle. Look at that. This right here says Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, $28. So this says immerse skin into a hydrating mist so ultra fine and delicate, it envelops your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 48% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh skin and enhance makeup. So, do you pop the top? You do. This is just so cute. It's like a little test tube. All right, so you ready? Ooh, that is very fine mist. Did you see that? Very, very fine mist, and it smells like watermelon. That smells so good. That smells really good. Ooh, I am definitely going to be using that. And that again is $28. Whew, I'm already loving that. Now we have as a Tarte product, this is Base Tape Hydrating Primer Base Hydrate. Double Duty Beauty. Double Duty Beauty, say that 3 times fast. And this is base tape. I've never used this, and I'm just now starting to kind of use like a moisturizing primer first. So I will definitely try this out. And that's what the packaging looks like. Oh, I love this blue on there. So this right here says Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer, $30. Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. You don't want me to finish that. Turn up the base with this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin in 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smooth skin's appearance. So it's a little runny, but that is what it looks like right there. I do smell a little bit of coconut. This is giving me vibes of when I used to work at a tanning salon. That is definitely what it smelled like in there all the time. But it blended in nicely. It feels nice. So I will definitely try that out on my skin. Of course, where else would I put it? So there's this item right there. And that right there, you guys, again, is $30. So that's almost the cost of this entire box by itself. So next we have is an Hourglass Light Blush Ambient. And this right here says Hourglass Ambient Lightening Blush. This is valued at $40. So this is more than the entire box. Holy moly. This is turning out to be an amazing first premium box for me. I'm liking it so far. All right, so this is what the package looks like. There are some scratches on there, as you can see, probably from moving around in the box, I would assume. I guess if it moves in that box. And then the inside looks like that. So it looks kind of like a baked blush. And on the back it says diffused heat. So this right here, you guys, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and put in a future giveaway because I don't do much with blush and I have a whole lot of blushes going on. So I would rather this go to somebody who would use it. And there is a little pamphlet in there as well. So I'm gonna stick that right back inside and set this aside. And again, that's $40. Next we have is this right here. It says 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. I was thinking that this was going to be a face mask type of thing that we get in a lot of boxes. And I was gonna be like, all right, this is gonna go in a giveaway. But if this is a moisturizer, then I'm definitely interested in trying it out. Let me remove this plastic. Okay, so that's what it looks like when the plastic is removed. And this says 24 karat foil moisturizer, $100. Can my eyes get any bigger? $100. Is it made of 24 karat gold? Like, holy moly. All right, let's see. Ooh, it's a different shape. It's like a little hexagon. And it says 24 karat gold. What in the world? The 24 karat gold foil moisturizing cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. And there is like little gold specks. It reminds me of Goldschlager with like little gold flakes inside. If you can see inside here, all the little gold flakes that are in there. There's no scent to it. Let me put it on this hand because that one already has that primer. What in $100? Who comes up with these pricing? It just smells kind of like a slight, like most skincare that doesn't have a scent, but it kind of has that skincare scent. That's what I'm smelling, but not like a scent in particular. But wow, all right, I'm definitely gonna try that bad boy out. $100. Whoo-wee. I didn't even really wanna sample that on my arm for $100. Holy moly. Okay, you guys, so there's one item left in here, and that is right here. This is a ceramic flat iron with infused magnetic plates. So I guess it's going to look like that. Is it blue? Now I think somebody had commented, no, I know somebody who commented, and I can't remember where it was. I'm gonna have to go back and try to find it. Somebody had said that they wanted this and they would trade me if I got it, and I don't need another straightener. So whoever that was, message me back. But here is the actual straightener, and it says Sutra, S-U-T-R-A brand, and this right here is valued at $79.99. And it says it delivers consistent heat along the entire length of the plates for silky smooth hair and the finest results. The ceramic flat iron generates negative ions to combat the dryness and frizz created by positive ions in the air and hair. Huh. I mean, it sounds like it'll be a good one, but I have one that I'm currently using. I have one that I had before the new one that I have, and then I even have one I got in a box that's sitting there that I was going to use for traveling. So I technically have 3 flat irons right now, and I definitely don't need 4. But it's blue, my favorite color. The one I'm using now is teal, which is my first favorite color. So we have this, and even has a little name right here, and it comes in this little drawstring bag, like carrying case to keep it in. But here is the hair straightener, again valued at $79.99. This is an amazing box, $35. How did they do this? You guys, all of this stuff, okay, my total value, I'm gonna add it up and put it right here. I already know this is really, really high because this right here is $100, $80 for that, and then $40 for the blush, $35 for the lotion. This is 20 something, and this is what, $30. Like, how did they do this for $35? I'm totally shocked right now. Like, I'm so shocked that they did all of this for $35. I'm totally thinking that this is, they mixed this up and this is my luxe. This is not my luxe. This is my premium, you guys. Holy moly. That is amazing. So that is everything that came in this particular box, you guys. So go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of these 2 boxes? Which did you think was the better, the base box or the premium box? Do you get Boxycharm? Are you on the fence with getting Boxycharm? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Like, I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. To me, both boxes were amazing. I can't wait to use this. Like I said, even though I don't use any type of like a setting spray or a mist or any type of like a spray to my face, I'm definitely going to use this because it smells like watermelon, and it's a fine, baby fine, like delicate, very nice. I like that. And I get to share some stuff down to you guys because I have the lotion and the blush and the brushes and the other stuff that's over there. I get to pass down to you guys as well. The setting powder. So that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video. Thank you for answering my question on which I should do, if I should do them together or separate. So thank you so much for that. And thank you so much for everybody who's reached out asking me how I'm feeling, telling me to get better. Seriously, Sunday was my worst day ever. I felt like the worst crap ever. I didn't do anything. Like, I didn't even get out of my pajamas all day, and that never happens. I literally had to listen to my body and just relax and rest. So I'm starting to kind of feel better. Stuff's kind of breaking up a little bit. I'm still kind of congested, but at least I'm feeling a whole lot better. So thank you guys so much for checking in on me. Again, I greatly do appreciate it. That means a lot to me. So thank you so much. So that is everything, you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.